Hello, good morning everyone, or good evening from wherever you are. Today I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube search history. So anything you've been searching on YouTube, I'm gonna show you how to pause or delete it forever. So the first thing we want to do, we can go to Firefox, or it doesn't matter actually if you go to Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, whatever web browser you have. You just open that and you type in www.youtube.com and go ahead and click enter. Now here we see we are logged into our account here, the ideas of the word, and here it says home. On your left it says shorts, it says we go down there subscriptions, and it says here your channel. Below that it says history, so we're gonna click on history, and when you click on history it says here this list has no videos. All you have to do is clear all watch history. You click on that and then it's deleted forever. Or if you don't want to delete search history, you can pause watch history, like that, and then you can do whatever you're gonna search on YouTube. It will not show up. So that's it for today. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.